is growing rapidly, and here is another project that is launched on the same network. This one is called Tearline-Ai. So majorly Tearline-Ai, launched on the Tone network, is focused on Web3, and majorly it can do 3 tasks as of now, and they're like the forecast objectives of Tearline-Ai or bot. One, for users, you ask it questions, and as opposed to ChatGPT or Gemini or any other bot outside there, it answers questions which are focused on Web3 space only. And secondly, you can use these bots to create content, like you can create tweets or blog posts which are focused on Web3. And lastly, they say that you can use this AI to easily create bots with focused functionalities. And right now we can only see like one or the first 2 which are majorly predominant. And so in the crypto space, how do you earn there? How do you become eligible to get their airdrops and earn in the same line? So by asking daily questions and creating blog posts or any other thing, any content with this AI, you get points, and with these points you become eligible for their airdrop. And you will also be able to redeem the points in exchange of their cryptocurrency. So how can you get this bot? Just click the link in the description below, and it will lead you to their bot, the Telegram bot. And what you do is you just click the chat here, and the bot will load. So let's wait. Yeah, it's like counting down 5 seconds. So the bot loads, and it gives you an interface which looks like this. So we have we have home, we have chat, trade, and friends. So basically you can just ask like 3 questions a day. I can just go there to chat on the chat section. Yeah, so here chat, if you don't have any Web3 question, or if you don't have a specific questions, there are suggestions down here which you can just click. So let me say I want to click what project in the Tone ecosystem are worth investigating in. So just click that if you don't have a question, and it will be generating the answer. So searching for relevant answers. So certainly it's done, and it gives out the answer concerning that. And you can just copy all of this information and post it in your social media platform or as a blog post. And so you see, after that I've just earned points, and that's simple. Again, there is a trade section which you can just trade, and the last place that I can say you can also the last way that I can say you can earn by finishing these tasks from the social earn, daily earn, and X tasks, and partnerships. So with these partnerships you can just play the games or join these bots which they are promoting here, and you earn coins. So basically this is an airdrop, and because it is also on the Tone network, which is currently growing, I can suggest that you join. And yeah, these are free things.